what the future of car interior design looks like? Well, just like your living room. Space fitted to your style and needs, and therefore distinctly yours. But let's ask the experts from ŠKODA Auto responsible for the design themselves.
My name is Kateřina Vránová and I'm head of color and trim at ŠKODA Design. I'm responsible for the team who deals with all materials and colors for our cars.
And I'm Stefan Webelhorst, the color and trim project lead for ŠKODA's first fully new developed electric car, the ŠKODA ENYAQ. Me and my teammates are responsible for the all-over material concept as well as for the material design.
At Color and Trim, we monitor the newest trends and focus what's absolutely essential for a good driving feeling. Then we decide on what materials we should use and how we should treat them. For the new ŠKODA ENYAQ iV, we were inspired by the idea of stepping into your favorite kind of a room and then taking it for a drive in an all-electric SUV.
And therefore, each interior trim, from fabric material to upholstery detail, is based on a contemporary living room representing a personality as unique and special as your own. You may now choose from 5 standard selections with 3 additional lifestyle ones available soon. So let's have a look together at each of the ŠKODA ENYAQ iV design selections.
Lodge is as smart as it is organic. It puts you directly into the cozy living room feeling, the one that also has a good impact on the environment. It's actually the first time we combine fabric from recycled polyester bottles with high wool content for the car upholstery. Special is also the unique aubergine color tonality, complemented by the silver haptic decor. Soft, eco-friendly materials and bright colors are what makes Lodge a natural choice for those of you who care about the planet as well as the aesthetics.
When you value the most keeping things simple, the minimalist interior of Studio is your go-to option. Its practicality meets simple elegance with a number of details. Check the dashboard, stylishly complemented with stitched fabric. Laser-grained decor combining matte and shiny surface makes its ŠKODA premiere here. Elsewhere, as with the leather steering wheel, you feel at home immediately. Studio's minimalist design goes hand in hand with its maximum functionality, clever decision, and handy choice at its finest.
Sweet is every inch the definition of a sophisticated fashion. Coming into beautiful color combinations, its sleek leather seats, precious upholstery details everywhere, and piano black deco parts call for a highly elegant yet comfortable experience. Whether you choose black leather with contrasting cognac stitching and piping details, or the cognac beige option, the overall harmony of the interior makes you the magnificent choice. If you want to feel special every time you get in, then suit yourself.
Loft is a contemporary take on a cozy living room, a place where it's easy to feel genuinely at home. The subtle touch of color and the linear embossed fabric give it a slight technical feel while achieving an exciting haptic experience along the way. Black and grey textiles combined with a modern leatherette and an alu brushed decor provide smart and comfortable elements that will perfectly fit your daily adventures as well as chill moments. Loft might become something of your modern style-oriented peer. It's exciting in every way, yet feeling flawlessly familiar. As the title suggests, the Sportline interior option is the pure manifestation of a fast-forward spirit. It sports a dynamic appearance thanks to its exquisite Suedia seats with a 2-turn perforation accented by light grey details and accompanied by carbon decor. With its fresh approach to material design, Sportline might easily turn every daily duty into a fast-paced adventure. If you need a boost of energy every time you hop into your car, look no further.
Lounge is a place to contemplate on the finer things in life, and as such, it presents a bespoke choice of materials and details. Its decorative contrast stitching with a hint of mustard color tone goes so well with anodized cross-lined silver foil on its distinctively discreet decoration parts. Crafted combination of leather and microfiber fabric gets you to the smoothest from both worlds and approaches. Elegant, refined, understated in every way, lounge is a timeless choice for every destination.
Was nice to be able to experience firsthand each of the new ŠKODA ENYAQ IV design selections. So, now you know where to look for the future of car interior design. It's right there. Because it's what's inside that matters.